Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel, you all. So let's start today's day with making a to-do list. So this is the to-do list for today. तो इसमें ज़्यादातर चीज़ें रिवीजन की हैं. Cause today is 18th of January and on 20th I have NBTS. So I'm preparing for that test only. And I'm gonna revise things from my short notes and then I'm gonna solve its question for module. And module में से भी मैं सारे questions नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm just doing the questions which I made wrong in the first try. So basically the marked questions, but there are chapters in which I haven't solved all the questions of module. So I'm gonna solve those questions as well. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna start with electrochem revision and time right now is 6:34. So let's get started. So I got done with revising this electrochemistry and time right now is 7:50. Now I'm gonna take a break for some time and then I will come back and do its question. So time right now is 9:21 and I did completed most of the question. Few are still left. It is actually taking quite a lot of time because all the questions I'm doing are which I attempted wrong. So there are high chances that I'm doing them wrong again. Anyways, I'll do the rest in a bit. I got my breakfast so I'm gonna be having it now. तो अभी टाइम हो चुका है 10:03 एंड अभी इसमें टू डू लिस्ट में से जो हो गया उसको कट कर देती हूँ. So time right now is almost 4 p.m. I was back from coaching at around 3:15 or something and then I had my lunch and all. Now I am on my desk to study. तो अभी क्लासेस में मूविंग चार्जेस एंड मैग्नेटिज्म चैप्टर चल रहा है. सो आई एम गोना रिवाइज दिस चैप्टर जितना हो चुका है यहाँ तक कि करा रहे हैं सर अभी. तो मैं ये वाला चैप्टर थोड़ा रिवाइज कर लेती हूँ जितना आज करा है. तो अभी मैंने ये फिजिक्स का जो भी क्लास का आज था वो तो सारा रिवाइज कर लिया है. इसको टू डू लिस्ट से कट कर देती हूँ. तो अभी मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ प्लांट किंगडम रिवीजन से. तो क्योंकि अभी मेरा प्लांट किंगडम का रिवीजन कंप्लीट हो चुका है तो अभी मैं करने वाली हूँ क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस. और क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस के लिए मैं जो बुक यूज करने वाली हूँ वो है दिशा पब्लिकेशन की नीट एक्सट्रैक्ट बुक. दिस इज वन एंड द ओनली बुक दैट यू नीड टू मास्टर योर एनसीईआरटी. इट कंटेन्स मोर देन 6,000 प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन, PYQs, एग्जाम्पलर एंड ट्रेंड एनालिसिस टू मास्टर द सब्जेक्ट. All varieties of questions are covered with 100% solution and the best part is that it contains NCERT locator. So it will guide you to the page or exact line of NCERT from which that question is made. It contains all the important PYQs from year 2016 till 2023. More than 80% questions in NEET 2023 were asked from this book and this book is based on new syllabus pattern by NMC and it does contains questions from the topics which are added and does not contain questions from the topics which are deleted, so you don't have to decide by yourself that which topic is deleted or which is not. You can buy this book in combo for physics, chemistry, biology, all of them. I will be providing the links in the description, so go check it out. तो अभी टाइम हो रहा है ऑलमोस्ट 7 PM एंड आई गॉट डन विद दिस प्लांट किंगडम क्वेश्चंस एंड रिवीजन. तो अभी मैं थोड़ा देर के लिए रेस्ट करूंगी एंड उसके बाद फिर मैं ये एक्सक्रीशन वाला चैप्टर रिवाइज करूंगी. So now I'm gonna start revising this chapter, excretory products and their elimination. So let's get started. तो अभी एक्सक्रीशन का रिवीजन तो खत्म हो गया है, अभी मैं इसकी भी क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस कर लेती हूँ। तो अभी टाइम हो गया 9:24, ऑलमोस्ट 9:30 एंड अभी मैं रिवाइज करने लगती हूँ रेडॉक्स रिएक्शंस। तो ये ज़्यादा तो नहीं है, 2-4 पेजेस ही हैं एंड रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन के मैंने शॉर्ट नोट्स नहीं बना रखे हैं बिकॉज ये छोटा सा चैप्टर ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे चीज़ें मतलब शॉर्ट फॉर्म टाइप में लिखी हुई हैं, तो इसलिए मैं इसके शॉर्ट नोट नहीं बना रही। बाकी अगर अभी तो मेरे पास वैसे टाइम नहीं है, अगर बाद में लगेगा तो या ATS से पहले शायद मैं बना भी लूँ, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट। तो whatever, I'm gonna revise it from here right now and then I'm gonna be solving its module. So let's just start. So time right now is almost 12 p.m. and I got done with this redox revision and its questions. Now I'm gonna do rotation. I'm gonna revise it and solve its module. Although it is already late, like 12 p.m. AM, and I really want to sleep because I've been awake since 6 a.m. But I don't have any choice. I have to finish it anyhow. So let's just get into it. So it is 12:30 right now and I revised this rotation. I am not gonna solve its question because I don't have time right now, so I just revised it. And now I'm gonna revise gravitation as well from my short notes. I think it's gonna take another half an hour. And after that I will sleep because I'm too sleepy right now. I don't think my mind is working the way it should. So it won't make any sense for me to do these questions. I'll do these probably tomorrow. So yeah, let's just do the gravitation now. So time right now is 1:10 and I did end up revising this gravitation. And obviously I'm gonna leave the questions because I can't do it anymore, and now I'm gonna sleep. And that is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you with a new video very soon. Until then, goodbye.